Hello everybody, welcome back to Philocaly. Today's video is an unboxing and review of Alicia Souza's 2020 planner. Let's unbox the planner. The planner came in this cardboard box which had a sturdy and reusable beautiful box with a thank you note from Alicia Souza. There's an exciting giveaway at the end of the video, so stay tuned. This is the thank you note from Alicia Souza. The pocket planner and the spiral bound planner. The pocket planner is a handy booklet which can be carried around. It consists of the yearly calendar of 2020 and 2021 and monthly pages for the year 2020. Next up is the actual planner, which is a spiral hard-bound notebook in a bright golden yellow color. This year they have come up with monthly tabs which would help us in easy navigation through the planner. Now let's get into the planner. The first sheet has place for personal info and a picture. Yearly calendars of 2020 and 2021. 5 pages of stickers and a letter to yourself from yourself. This letter is a fun activity which was also available in last year's planner. This letter can be stored in this folder at the end of the planner and read at the end of the year. In the next sheet, the budget can be planned for the year, followed by 20 things to do this year. Next are the goals for the year, a goal tracker, and the steps to reach the goals. Next up is the monthly planner, where the birthdays for the month, goals, important events, and the to-do can be listed, followed by the habit tracker and the period tracker. Next up is the monthly meal plan for 4 weeks, the shopping list and the to-do list. The next sheet is a monthly spread followed by the date-wise planner and some place for notes. The following are the dividers for each month: February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. At the end of the planner, there are pretty bookmarks with perforated grids which can be torn and used as cards as well. The next sheet can be used to write down the books that we plan to read this year and also the movies that we plan to watch this year. Followed by the highlights of the year, some space for notes and a pocket to keep essentials. There is a pretty bookmark and a thread tag as well. The planner is not only pretty, yet it is made of brilliant quality paper which does not bleed. I leave a link to Alicia Souza's online store and the Amazon link in the description box below if you're interested in getting the planner to check it out there. There is a loop to keep the pen as well, which is included in this year's planner. I had also received a sticker book called The Big Book of Stickers from the team. The book consists of a large variety of stickers that can be used throughout the planner. Now, for the giveaway, I'm giving away the pocket planner and the big book of stickers to one subscriber to plan 2020 in style. Rules to the giveaway are as follows. You have to be a subscriber of our channel. Like and comment below this video on what are the videos you would like to see this year. and follow us on Instagram. The giveaway closes on the 5th of February and the winner to be announced on the 7th of February 2020. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful and got some enthusiasm on planning for 2020. Happy planning! Until next time, bye-bye.